Come on, Steve. I know you're here somewhere. I heard the room. He's hiding behind taller tables. We got a microphone up here that you can use, or you can. Oh, you're gonna get your stuff up here.
We watched in the '60s. We watched Japan come out and start manufacturing stuff, fancy stuff. It didn't hurt us much. Then it started happening in Taiwan. And then as the years went by, then you start seeing, some of the pieces of wood and stuff, and then all of a sudden, it started happening. Well, then with Southeast Asia, now you see significantly.
Sometimes it takes us a minute to get organized.
You're going to see that a lot of things. So what is the one huge untapped area in India? And it's just starting to happen. There's people there that want to work. They're trainable.
I was hoping it was going to come back to us. No? Hey, I wouldn't say that because people that have because of their drive jobs and people are willing to work just because they can lower wages.
Well, that's what it has to be. That's what it has to be.
Yeah, well, they are doing. They are doing. I know people where I'm going to tell you because that's because employers have not to do only have the right time
if you step back from the way things were, but we're all in it. I've always got to help you there. People have worked for the company. But you really step back and look at it, it's like, how in the world did it ever come up that computers are supposed to take care of healthcare? The reason is that they did it because that way they have less absenteeism. It was self-serving. And I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but that's what happened. And then all of a sudden it became mainstream. I don't know. Like I said, I could go on.
It's not so bad. It's not so bad.
It doesn't sound good if you say Howlin Robert does it. Howlin Bob works a lot better.
I've been working for I have lowest rates I've ever taken in my life. And for the first time in my life, I just struggled.
Capitalism is about being able to make the best that you can do. And what that has turned out to be, big companies make every single one. And then especially any large company that's a publicly held company, they'll stop. What is their primary job? I don't care what they're making. They're making cars, healthy rocket ships, their primary job is to pay dividends to those stockholders. It doesn't matter what the stockholders make there. They bought that stock. They contributed to it. They have to say about that because they did it. So all of a sudden, when it comes to public morals, to hell with that. You've got, 8 generations of families. You're making widgets, and those widgets cost you $8 per minute. But right now, I can build a factory in a year and produce the widgets.
When y'all are finished getting acquainted.
Now, what is my job?
The sky is crying.
Bring that up. Maybe we should start controlling that.
Look at the tears go down the street.
That's what's going on. I've watched the airs.
The sky is crying. Tears roll down the street.
And there's so many big companies. Look, we've been all this against monopolies.
out to find my baby. I don't know where he might be. I went out looking for my baby. I saw him walking down the street. It was about 3 o'clock in the morning. He had another woman with him. I went out looking for my baby. Thought I saw him walking down that street. When I thought it was my baby, my poor heart just hit the beat.
Not that I know. But I don't really know anything. Okay, I'm like, I read about it. If they come to the church hands, I go to them. They have my record. They should have been playing jam once in a while, but I just couldn't handle the cigarette smoke.
Oh, yeah, but that place is cool. Yeah,
And I got tired of driving all the way up there for it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's the best music, without a doubt. Absolutely, I mean, by a long shot. Buster and the guys and Doc, good gracious, they're all good. I totally get it. And I just really have to participate, you know. They're going away. They're all going away. Unfortunately, with so many of us that pay taxes, we're still paying for their health insurance. They're still going. That's a whole other story.
Yeah, we don't talk about that.
Richard Wease. Show him some love. Come on, Tad. Go ahead, Tad. love me anymore. That sky is crying. Look at the tears roll down my cheek. Cry it, Steve.
But you can also take the iPad off and the Wi-Fi. So each of the levels. They've been around a while. They're very pricey, but they're, you know.
How about street. My heart is just perfect. If you see my baby out there, won't you send him home to me? That's right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Y'all need to remember that this is not a concert. This is a party. So if you feel like dancing, just get up and dance. This is a dance floor up here, you know? Let your hair down. Have a good time.
John's right back there.
Can you sign John? Hey, how you doing? I know. We don't really get to see it live. It's email or phone. That's how it is with everybody.
I was on my way. I just didn't get there yet.
I didn't bring the guitar, but I didn't bring it in. I'll just sing. Make it easy.
I'll tell you what. I'll just told John, we'll do a couple of our songs.
Right.
And then I'll get done with you guys doing the arch. Because I brought my
Okay.
PRS.
I got it. Oh, okay. If I might even have him play and play and I'll sing. I didn't recognize you first. I know it. I got my car and I have it here.
Sorry.
No, I'm not here.
Good, man.
Let's just put it on.
Good to not see you. away. But I'm thinking if you're playing with these, it's mandatory to have. Then you can actually fill that in and it goes away, all right? It's not too loud. He's got a little something there. Back that money. That would be fine. I'm gonna.
All right. Mr. Steve Scott. We didn't even give him a chance to wet his whistle. And he's a big whistler, you know. We're going to get Skip Matheny up to do some drumming for us. How about a big round of applause for DJ Bones on the drum?
All right. Somebody sing that?
No, you sit here so you can see. This is Skips. Are we taking somebody else? Nobody's sitting here. No, she's sitting
You're
right
sitting.
here. Nobody's sitting here.
The other guy was saying you want to play drums. I just got off. So,
Yeah.
all right, change the chair.
We have some people on musical chairs.
Right.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Let me go mic check here.
It's easy to play like that.
It's a slow blues and C.
Drink menu.
All right, okay. Some crap here too.
The rap is before you.
Thank you for coming out here to the lifter, and I'd like to thank Beth for letting me sit in.
Hey.
I can tell you an effort, but
Yeah.
Richard's going to sing one for us.
Can you give me a little mic, a little more?
The control.
You know what? I'm like, I gotta like.
oh yeah,
Hi, Kathy. Thank you. How you doing?
he's up there playing now.
Believe I'm going down.
So it's all, you know, it's more like you feel the trumpet, but you don't hear it.
My health is failing.
And you know what? That's like I said. I never heard her say like, you know, name louder. Good Lenny.
Please write my mother. Tell her I'm shipping.
Italian.